There was a time when safety meant walls, thick ones, tall ones, silent ones. We believed that if we built high enough, strong enough, nothing could reach us. But the world changed, and so did the idea of protection. Now, safety doesn't stand in front of you. It moves with you. It listens. It understands. You don't see it, but it sees everything. It begins long before a moment arrives, before footsteps echo, before shadows stretch. There's a quiet intelligence already awake, already thinking, already preparing. Not reacting, anticipating. Like a presence that never sleeps, never hesitates. And yet, it doesn't interrupt. It doesn't demand attention. It becomes part of the rhythm of life, fluid, invisible, seamless. Doors don't just open, they recognize. Spaces don't just exist, they respond. Every surface, every corner, every breath of air feels aware. There's a strange comfort in that. Not the kind that comes from barriers, but the kind that comes from knowing something understands you. Not just who you are, but how you move, how you live, how you belong. Because true security isn't loud. It doesn't announce itself with alarms or warnings. It whispers, it adapts, it learns, it evolves. And when the unexpected tries to break through, it doesn't panic, it doesn't scramble, it simply